Good afternoon. Big Mac Mick, how's you going? You don't put much on these days, it's been a while, but thanks for your comments. You said £5, but I'm guessing you're not realising this is 20p a go, so we'll do a £10. I think it'll be, because it's a £4.80 jackpot at 20p play, although all the pairs are 40p, so that's quite good. So we'll put a I've got £10 worth of 50p's in my hand, so we'll go that way. We'll put them all in if it'll go that far. I suppose you could say it's equivalent to doing £5 challenge on a 10p play. There you go, 50 goes. So there's £10 in. We'll see how far we can push this thing. The Scorpion 1 technology, probably, my guess is probably the most popular machine on that technology. Our pub certainly had a cash explosion. Oh, we got that. Only 40p. We got that. Ooh. Still 40p. We've got to try higher, haven't we? Can't get that more in the middle, I think that's too risky. It's only 80p on the nuddies. We'll go for a number run. And we'll listen to the music for a bit. We'll go up. There you go. Wise choice. Yeah, there's £4. I'll hold the 3. We won't hold the 3. Oh, nearest win. Gonna go 2 bars in it. And we'll go higher than the 2. We'll take that. Probably 3rd reel. £6 and 40p. Obviously hold down. Risky, not that risky. Stop and match, that was good last time, but we'll go higher. Oh, needed the oh, nudges are open. £1.20, we'll go higher than the 2. £1.20. We'll go for the number run again. We'll go up again. Ooh, £2. Well, we're nearly getting the tenner back, aren't we? Respin. Just sort of a go really, isn't it? £9.20. £8 in the bank, £9.20. Just over halfway of the tenner. So 3 technologies after black box. But a lot of change. You've got to try the 3, any number. Oh, third wheel. What are we going to get? No. £10 note. Well, that's easy enough to work out now, isn't it? Because we've got the £10 back and 14 goes. So that's literally the £10 back. Bit of the 2. Right, we're up again. Oh, I wonder where that other belly's. It's actually there. Just making sure there's nothing else. No, I think that'll do. Oh, you big! Fuck it, I didn't see that. I thought it would have been the bell. My mistake. Oh. Good, yeah. All the way up. Guaranteed big money. Right. I've got to put. I've only got 1 go left, so I've got to put another £1 in. Sorry. There you go. We're in profit. And no tokens. I reckon that was about 3-4 quid profit at the tenner. But just so there's no malice, we'll put some oil back in. I should have easily got that, shouldn't I? Oh, for Pete's sake, bloody 50p. £2 in the cash pot. Shall we take that just for the music? Ooh, that would have been nice. the music filling it back up. Ooh. It's an easily playable machine, isn't it? £40p, £40p, 12, £1.60, but we've got a 12, so we're going to go lower. Still £1.60, number run or gamble it. I need to stop it spinning in the first. £2.40. Well, that jackpot being won, shall we go through the other two nudges? Oh, you pig. You pig. No, not enough. And up again. We've got to put a few. Ooh. Oh! Oh dear. This is a fun machine, isn't it? Hiya. Oh well, and that's happened at some point. There you go, Mick. That ended up being quite a long play. I didn't realise it had been so long. Let that go into a tract. The cash pot's almost filled back up. So what do you think? I know there's some big fans of this machine. Well, there you go, Mick. I hope that was good fun to watch, and I'll speak to you soon, my man. Keep watching.